I'm David from Bottlebooks, and today we're going to create EU-compliant e-labels. Simply click on Get 3 free e-labels, create a quick account, or if you have an account, you'll be taken directly in where you can create 3 free e-labels without entering a credit card or making any commitment. Simply click on Add e-label, add the name of the product, the GTIN or barcode number, and the vintage. Right away, you'll get the QR code that you can send to your label designers. Let's go ahead and create the e-label right now. We're going to create a wine. We're going to add all of the countries in the EU. EU e-labels are not legal in all countries. Outside of Europe, we show a warning, but if you want to link to your website, you can do it here. From the bottom, we can start entering the data. We can copy from an existing e-label, which is great for the next vintage, or we can copy from the Bottlebooks portfolio. If you've ever created a product in Bottlebooks, it will be stored in the portfolio, and so you can select it and import that data into the e-label. This gives you a great head start on your e-label creation process. As you can see on the right, there's a preview. You can change the header color. You can identify the product with the name and the vintage, and you can fill out a number of optional fields that provide more information for your consumers. Until you get to the ingredients. Here, you need to select from an approved list of EU ingredients. Go ahead and select them all. We will format them correctly according to EU law, and you just have to make sure that they're in the right order. Then in the nutritional section, enter your kcals and kilojoules, or use our calculator to create them. Going down to the nutritional information, for wines, you'll have a negligible amount of fat, protein, and salt in almost every case. And you'll need to provide values for carbohydrates and sugars. Our recommended serving size by the EU is 100 milliliters, but you can provide another size, and we'll provide another column for consumers to see. You can add certifications. You can add sustainability messages. You can add your packaging, which is required in Italy to declare your materials for the Italian consumer. And at the end, you can add things like food business operator and the imprint, which is required for Germany, Austria, and Switzerland. Once you're done, publish the e-label. You'll get the QR code again, and you can review your e-label mobile ready for consumers to scan. If you have any questions, consult our e-label master guide or send us an email, and join more than 17,000 wine teams who store, manage, and publish their information with Bottlebooks.